Welcome to our channel. Setting up a dark mode schedule on College Board can help reduce eye strain during late night study sessions. Follow these steps to configure this feature. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the College Board website. Then log in with your College Board account credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or settings menu in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Look for display settings, appearance, or accessibility options within your account settings. Step 4. Find the dark mode or theme options, which may be listed under visual preferences or display settings. Step 5. Enable dark mode by toggling the switch or selecting the dark theme option from the available choices. Step 6. Look for scheduling options if available, which allow you to set specific times for dark mode to activate automatically. Step 7. Set your preferred start and end times for dark mode, such as sunset to sunrise, to match your study schedule. Step 8. Save your changes and refresh the page to see the dark mode applied according to your schedule preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.